In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check document custom fields in Docusign. As you may know, Docusign is a powerful tool for managing electronic signatures and agreements, and being able to review custom fields in your documents can be crucial for maintaining accuracy and ensuring all necessary information is captured. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you need to access the Docusign website. It's the leader in electronic signature technology and intelligent agreement management, renowned for its user-friendly interface and robust features. Head over to their website by typing the URL into your browser's search bar and hit enter. Once you are on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you're a frequent user, you might already have your username and password saved, making it a quick and seamless process. However, if you don't, just enter your credentials manually. If you happen to have forgotten your password, there are typically options to reset it. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where various functionalities are readily available for you. From here, we need to navigate to the admin section. To do this, locate the admin button, a vital area for managing more specific details of your Docusign account, including the custom fields we're interested in today. Next, click on admin share, and this will open up a whole new set of tools and settings for you to explore. Within the admin dashboard, you should see an option labeled Document Custom Fields. Click on this link and it will take you to the section where all custom fields associated with your documents are managed. Here you can review all existing custom fields attached to your documents. Custom fields are an excellent feature for tailoring your documents to meet specific needs, allowing you to track additional information beyond the standard fields. If you're managing multiple agreements or contracts, this functionality is incredibly useful for ensuring that all necessary data points are included and accurately logged. Remember to periodically review and update your custom fields as needed to reflect any changes in your business processes or information requirements. This practice helps maintain the relevance and usefulness of your information management within Docusign. By following these steps, you've efficiently checked the document custom fields in Docusign. Whether you are managing simple electronic signatures or more complex agreement processes, understanding how to navigate these fields can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure that your documentation is comprehensive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the intricacies of Docusign's features.